Pizuna sent me this 3-piece duvet set for my review, and it's a 3-piece because you literally get the duvet cover and you get the 2 shams, which I love because oftentimes you don't get the shams and it's hard to match them. So that is fantastic. This is a 400 thread count of long staple cotton. So it is so soft. I literally washed and dried it. I totally left it in the dryer for a little bit too long. So I actually think I'm going to give it a quick iron because that's just kind of what I like. But a few things I absolutely love I wanted to show you is, so duvet covers, obviously we have our insert in here. One of the things, let me show you this, when you attach it, look how long these are. My last duvet was like this size, and trying to attach them in the corner was an absolute nightmare. So I love that you have them nice and long so you can make a bow here on the side without actually having to tie a knot, because when it's too small you have to tie a knot and then you can never get it out. So you can have a proper size bow here and you don't have to worry. And then of course you've got all these great buttons that are going to go all the way across, so that's going to keep it nice and closed. And yeah, so this one clearly is the white. Does come in lots of different colors. This one is the King / California King, but also comes in the different sizes.